So here we are in St Albans Park. I don't know if it's actually called that. Tina? Is it called St Albans Park?
No.
Okay, it has a different name. But look at these cute little ducklings with their mom. Wow. Very nice. And then we look over here. Very nice. Hello, hello. There's my friend Tina. She's showing me around St Albans. Abby and Madeline, I bet all these birds would like if you were here so you could help feed them. Oh, it looks like there's some teenage ducklings too. Wow. This is why they say summer in England is hard to beat. Goodbye, ducks and goose.